1956 Ford F100 Shortbox Stepside here at Unique Specialty and Classics. Reminds me of a Calypso Quarrel from, say, about a 1970 Mustang, give or take. So in other words, kind of an orange look to the paint. Underneath the hood, Ford powered. For you Ford fanatics out there, 302 V8 that's paired up with 5-speed Tremec, manual transmission. Got the right drivetrain, nicely equipped, power steering, power brakes. Look at the chrome on the front end of this beauty, that bumper, headlight surrounds, color keyed grille to the rest of the truck. This one will turn some heads. Great looking stance. Check out the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. Riding on American Racing, polished wheels. Mustang 2 front end adjustable coilovers up there. May be able to see that in the underside pics. Take your time looking through those. Yes, paint shows as well in person as it does the pictures and the videos. It almost looks like it's wet. I have not noticed any major nicks, dings, scratches. We do have a little battery tender that's kind of stashed. I put it down here so I'd remember to tell you where it's at. And the battery is actually under the passenger side floor. You'll be able to see that in the underside pics. So you can hook up to that pigtail, maintain the battery when it's not being driven. Look down this passenger side again. You can see it's not full of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. This bed looks like new, and it's maple. So it's looking good back here also. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Ford 9-inch rear end. Just so you know, too, Tech noted the brakes are 90% in the front. The rear brakes will need some attention not too far down the road. It also has a new clutch and pressure plate as well as a starter. Fuel gauge works. It's not the most accurate. It reads higher than it probably really is by a quarter to a half a tank, the tech also noted. Once again, all those still pics, uniqueclassiccars.com. So we look down the driver's side. If you like any of these Ford pickups, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. And you can do that right off our showroom floor, or of course online. Let's take a little closer look at this interior. Kind of a custom installed stereo. I'll show you on this also. Underneath the dash, a little head unit, and then the, I believe, speakers and amps, both kind of under the seat. Door panel looks good. Black and white combination. Bench seat. Seat belts intact. Tilt column. Always nice in one of these. And painted to match. Interior, obviously. Some headliner in black. I think we should fire this up and let you hear that 302 Ford power. And again, Tremec, 5-speed, we're in neutral. That was a cold start. I wouldn't expect temp gauge to be up. Nice clean dasher cluster, stereo system, again custom auto sounds. So nice sounding stereo, just like I said, nice custom install. Blower controls, temp, air defrost. Nice throttle response. Slip around to the back and listen. Door closes nicely. There you go. No excuses on this one, you guys, that, oh, I would have bought it, but it has a Chevy small block in it. No excuses. Ford power, and let's check out that engine bay. Give me a second. I'll get the hood propped open, and stick around to the very end. Jason's going to take this for a drive, show you how it goes down the road too. There we go. So you do need a prop rod for the hood. That's mine for using here doing the videos and pictures. That does not go with it. There it is. Again, Ford power 302. No complaining. Headers. Nice smooth runner. Power steering. Does have power brakes also. The boosters underneath it. You'll be able to see that in the underside picks. Heater hose is intact, hooked up. Technician did note or mention a little bit of seepage underneath the engine. Nothing out of the ordinary for a truck that's driven. And this one, get in, turn the key, have some fun. It'll turn some heads. Probably bring home some trophies too. Check it out. 1956 Ford F100 Shortbox Stepside. Look at that stance. Call us 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a very nice 1956 Ford F100 pickup truck. This is a manual transmission right here on the floor with billet specialty steering wheel, a street rotted truck you might say. Nice and low, looking good and handling nice. Lots of power. Shifts very well. Easy to find those gears, nice notches for that. Clutch feels nice. Good road manners. You know, it's lowered. You do feel the road a little more than you would on a stock height truck, but that's good. I'm guessing she's going to handle pretty good in the corners when we get there. Our turn signal indicators are working. Both of those are working. Temperature gauge is reading a quarter of a tank, or quarter of the way up the gauge. The tank is showing full on the fuel gauge. We have lights for oil pressure and battery. And the speedometer is working. Wipers work on this truck, as does the radio.
We say we play the classic, we're not kidding. A fifth of Beethoven there, Walter Murphy and the Big Apple.
Bench seat, very comfortable in this truck. Brakes feel good. Power brakes, power steering, you can tell just by how easy it is to steer. And yep, corner's pretty good. Nice and low, firm suspension makes good cornering. I just took that third, nice and leisurely. Very nice steering wheel. Great truck for cruising, looking good and going to shows. Take a look at all the pictures